Good morning, student. Today I am going to show the how to create the frame using frame set tag. So in this example we have three pages. First one is the information.html, second one is the software.html, and that third one is the frame.html. So how can we create the frame in a web pages? We can see here by right clicking the code, right clicking, open with the notepad. Okay, I have just typing the code here. You can see here the main frame creation page having the HTML tag, head tag, title, that is the my web frame, title, close, and head. There is no body inside there. And now we can see here that the frame set is the tag which is used to create the frame, and here I am just defined to create the frame in row wise. So I have just written here rows. You can also write here calls if you want to separate the web page browser window into columns section, but I am just divide here in the rows. So I have written here rows is equal to 160. 160 is the pixel, how much pixel occupies rows, that is the 160, and the rest is the 160 is the upper part, and the lower part is the rest apart from the 160 pixel. Now border, we can also add the border width by using the border attribute is equal to double quote 20, 25 or something else you want to add, and you can also mention the border color. So these are the two attributes which is used with the frame set to define the border and the border color. Okay, now this is the frame set tag, but apart from this frame set tag we have the frame tag is also with closed to call the different web pages in the different section of the frame. So firstly, frame space name should be anyone, that is here I am just defining the header. You can also write the any name here, and src is the main important thing because we have to locate the source of the page that is mentioned, that is I have created here, that is the software.html in the information. So I have to just clear the total path of this particular HTML. If the path location is different, then you have to complete the path UNC path mentioned there, but I have just keep both this file with the frame HTML file along with the frame HTML. That's why I have just written here the software.html. In the next part, that is the frame space name, that is the main, and src the information. So these are the both pages will be merged with the different section created by the frame set, and finally we have to close the frame set and HTML. So this is the frame structure tag which is used to create that, and now comes with the software.html, and then what I have just created, I have just mentioned the Army Public School, that is the software.html, and the background color I have mentioned with the blue color. तो आप इसका देख सकते हो अगर if you want to show this with the tag, you already know about that. You already know about the various right click. You can show the code with the notepad. I am just here the body color HTML. It's very simple web page, and also information web page you can see with the similar tag but with the different color, so that you can just recognize the different section of this. Now if we create on the frame tag frame web page, then we can see here, now we can see here this web have a browser window have two sections. First the upper section, that is the header section, and the main section. The upper section consists to call the pages, the web pages, that is the software.html, and the next lower portion of the section is contains the information.html. The border which comes is around the 10-20 pixels, and the color is the red that I have defined in the tag. Okay, with the attributes. So in this way we can just create the web pages through the different section. I hope you can understand. You can do very well with your examples. Okay, thank you everybody.